In this video, we'll show you how to configure and utilize the Windows Explorer client interface with Dimensions CM. Before you begin, you'll want to ensure you have the Windows Explorer shell extension installed. This will be part of the Dimensions CM client installer software. So let's begin by first creating a folder on our local workstation. If you're going to work on multiple projects, create your folders at the same level. Now we want to associate this folder to a stream that we'll work on. All you need to do is right-click on the folder and look for the Dimensions menu item. Then click on Associate with Source Control. A dialog box will pop up. Enter the required information. For your first time, you may need to fill in information about the server, the database name, and the database connection. You can get this information from your Dimensions CM administrator. Select Streams or Projects as a type. This will filter the list when you go to make your selection. You'll notice here that you can also create new streams from within this interface. We'll select the existing stream called Calarius JSP. You're able to set the following default values that will also occur for your stream. I typically accept the defaults. You can change any of the default values at any time. Your folder is now associated with the stream under version control in Dimensions. You can tell by the icon on the folder. Now if I right-click on the folder, we'll see several menu options representing the different functions I can perform. The first action I want to perform is to update my local work area with the files that are under version control in Dimensions. Since a stream can contain hundreds, if not thousands of files, you may want to limit the scope by selecting a subset of the files. You can also use filters to exclude or include files using pattern matching. Click Next to review the list of files. You can use the back button to make any changes or click Update to get a copy of the files from Dimensions to your local work area. You're now presented with the results of the operation. If you have other folders you want to get a copy of, you can repeat this step. So at this point, we have associated a directory with the project under version control, updated the directory with the latest versions of the files from the repository, all from within the Windows Explorer interface.